Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Last time we learned how to secure our network from threats. Today we are going to talk about something every network admin needs to know: troubleshooting. Networks don't always work perfectly, but with the right skill you can fix most issues quickly. Let's get into this. As usual, I always define definitions of the topic. What is troubleshooting? So I want to see your definition below the comment. I will check it out. So as for me, troubleshooting, it is the process of identifying and fixing problems in a network. Let's go over some of the most common network issues and how to fix them. Number one thing that stand out: no internet connections. If you are unable to connect to the internet, first check the cables. Are they plugged in? Then check your router. If that's all good, if the router is functioning, try restarting your router and modems. Sometimes just a simple restart can fix the issue. In most cases, from experience. Another thing, slow networks. If your network is running slow, it could be because of too many devices connected or congestion is happening in your network. Try limiting the numbers of devices or restarting your router. Also, check for softwares that may be using up your bandwidth. Another thing, IP conflicts. IP address conflicts. And IP conflicts happen when two devices are assigned with the same IP addresses. So to fix this, try rebooting the devices or assigning static IP address to each of these devices. Then another thing, cables and hardware issues. If your Wi-Fi or your wired connection is not working, check your cables for damage. Also, ensure your network card or switch is functioning correctly. Other thing, wireless connections problem. For Wi-Fi issues, check the wireless routers settings. The distance from the router and the interference from other devices like microwaves or baby monitors. So as usual, why do troubleshooting matter? For which network, as a network admin, be aware of this. It's matter because being able to troubleshoot a network issue quickly and efficiently is a crucial skill. Anyone working in IT, the faster you can fix problem, the less downtime your problem will have, which is important for both businesses and personal use. Please take note of this. Troubleshooting is really, really important. And that is a quick guide to troubleshooting common network issues. In the next video, we will take a close look at routing and how it helps get data to the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos. See you next time.